Hello and welcome to a Yoga at the Wall class. This is the perfect stretch to do after any Wall Pilates class or just on its own. To prepare, place the short side of your mat against the wall and then come to a seated position. You can sit on your heels or cross-legged and make sure you're facing the wall but keep a little bit of space. Sit comfortable. And then we're going to add a bit of movement. Maybe you'd like to do some rounds of cat-cow. Or you can also add some circles. Just see what your body needs today. There's really no right or wrong way to move here. Slowly come back to center and place your hands to the wall. Walk them up so they are higher than your head and begin to lean forward. Really nice stretch for your shoulders. Slowly rise up. Keep your right hand at the wall, turn the fingers to the right side and turn your body towards the left. Maybe you walk your right finger slightly further away till you feel a nice stretch in your right shoulder. Come back to center, change the crossing of your legs and place the left hand to the wall. Turn towards the right and stretch into your left shoulder. Back to center. Your hands at the wall, walk them up again and lean into this forward fold. Maybe going a bit deeper this time. Release and carefully make your way onto your back. Your hips close to the wall, little bit of space, and extend your legs up. Keep a soft bend in your knees and try to relax here. Your arms resting by your sides, breathing deeply. Now come to Pigeon, bring your left foot to the wall and place your right ankle to your left knee. You can keep your left leg extended as much as you like, but make sure your knee is softly bent. And then come as far down as you like with your left foot. Staying here for a couple of breaths, so feel free to adjust yourself. And with time, you might want to go a bit deeper here. Unwind, and for a spinal twist, allow both knees to sink to the left, extend your right arm to the right, your gaze to the right hand, and try to keep your right shoulder grounded. Come back to center. And other side. Pigeon with your left ankle on your right knee. And again, find the variation that feels best for you today. Allow your left knee to sink away. Really nice stretch for your outer hip. Maybe walk your right foot a bit further down if that feels good. And don't worry if one side feels a bit different than the other. It's completely normal. Unwind, and for a spinal twist, allow both knees to sink to your right, your left arm extended, gaze to your left hand, and I like to keep my left palm down here. This really helps to keep the shoulder on the mat. Come back to center. And here we're going into butterfly. So bring the soles of your feet together and allow your knees to sink apart. Maybe bring your feet a bit further down, allowing gravity to help you stretch here. Remember, you can always adjust yourself. With the help of your hands, bring your knees together and extend your legs for a final pose, legs up the wall. Keep a soft bend in your knees and rest your arms by your sides. Gently slow down your breath and allow yourself to completely relax here. Relax your jaw, the point between your eyebrows, and with each exhalation, see if you can sink a bit deeper into the mat. Gently begin to bring some movement into your fingers and your toes. Bend your knees and make your way into a comfortable seated position. Let's finish class with taking one big inhalation, reaching your arms up, and exhale, bring your hands down to your heart, bowing down and thanking yourself for your wonderful practice today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this yoga at the wall class, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!